Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by consecrating a small altar. This sets intention and focus. Clean the area, lay the cloth, and position the deity image at eye level. Once done, arrange essentials: water, flowers, turmeric, kumkum, a coin or gold item. Because Akshaya Tritiya honors prosperity, the object symbolizes your vow. Light a ghee lamp and incense to purify the space. Make sure to open with a short prayer aloud. This aligns your actions with the tradition and prepares you mentally for offerings. You now begin the core sequence. First, invoke Ganapati to remove obstacles, just a short chant, then address your chosen deity. Once invoked, take water in your right hand and sprinkle it on the idol, offer flowers and place rice as a symbolic seed of abundance. Light the lamp and perform arati slowly, sing or recite a simple mantra to focus intent. Make sure to keep a steady breath. This steadiness translates into sincerity in your offering and helps maintain devotional concentration. You finish by offering thanks aloud. Express your specific intention and then ring a bell or clap hands to close the ritual. Once closed, share the prasad and place the coin or gold item in a clean, safe spot as a reminder of commitment. If something goes wrong, if noise interrupts or you lose focus, pause, breathe, repeat a short mantra for grounding, and then resume from the last clear step. This preserves ritual integrity and keeps your devotion continuous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.